Jackfruit?
Jackfruit.
I wouldn't want to take away yours.
You sure? It's in a bag. Like
Yeah, jackfruit, nice, you know.
Nice.
It look like a breadfruit.
Yes.
Yeah, with the pegs and things like that. I wouldn't want to travel that.
You sure?
Yeah, man, enjoy that,
Okay.
man. If I had any fruit, I'd bring some for you, but I don't
Thank
have
you.
none.
Okay. Later, I'll bring you some.
Enjoy it.
Okay.
Yeah?
All right. Okay. Bye.
All right.
So I just asked him if he wanted any jackfruit because we got some yesterday. So I'm gonna go eat some. He said he doesn't want to take it from us. I think later we'll just bring him some anyway because I know he would like it. So yeah, going back up now. He's sweeping and he didn't want any help. So yeah.
With Hope in the battery going.
No, yeah, it still has a little bit. It's on now.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you want to sleep with the door open, you're free to sleep with the door open. Nobody stealing or doing nothing.
So
in the
nice.
place, no.
Maybe tonight, yeah, I'm gonna leave the door open.
Yeah,
Get
man.
the breeze.
Yes.
Yeah.
You can use the grill.
Okay.
Like drop the grill and bolt it. You can just leave it and make it open, you know?
Yeah,
Yeah,
okay.
man.
That's
nobody
nice.
come here, you know?
Yeah,
Nobody
no.
harassing or nothing, you know?
Yeah.
I tell you, I born and grow here in this district
Yeah.
and grow up in everywhere here, Hope Bay everywhere. And he's the only freelancer around here doing this Airbnb and tourist business.
Okay.
So once the people see you come, then first thing come to their mind, you go into Chucky place. You know?
Okay.
Yes, even if in Portland County.
Oh,
And once
really?
you come into Hope Bay,
Uh-huh.
this taxi guy know, oh, come,
Oh.
you come, you're going to Chucky.
Chuck it. Okay.
Yes.
Oh,
I'm that
that's
famous
nice.
in that
Yeah.
sense, you know. But I'm
Okay.
not looking this famous life and this popularity. I just like to stay back. And
Yeah.
just make it cool and easy, you know. Although
Okay.
people try to put me in that lifestyle and say, oh, you're popular and blah, blah, blah. But I don't need that, you know.
Yeah.
No, I like it easy and cool and
Calm.
simple, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah.
And share time and love with people. You know.
Yeah.
You see, I go around with you yesterday, Ochirayas, everywhere. And
Yeah.
we have fun together. And
Yeah,
enjoy
so nice
ourselves.
yesterday.
Yes, it was
Yeah.
a very good day, super
Really
day. You know.
nice, yeah.
Man. I enjoy every moment of it.
Yeah, me
Yeah,
too.
man.
Okay.
Yeah. So one love, yeah?
Yes.
Highly blessed, you know. So welcome to Chucky Freelance Store, you know. Remember, it's a freelance store. So if you don't honest, it make no sense.
Yeah.
Because I'm all about honest people around me because we don't keep bartender here. It's all about freelance, okay?
Yes.
So one love, yeah? Bless,
Okay.
bless.
Are you getting down the coconut? Looks so nice.
Coconut.
Coconut. So these are ready?
Yeah.
How are you gonna open it?
You know, it's jelly. Coconut drink the jelly one before it get dry.
Uh-huh.
This one we use it to cook. Make oil
Oh.
and cook with you know, vegetable oil and things like that. And we eat it. We make like little cakes with it with sugar and things
Oh,
like
sounds
that.
good. Oh, like the coconut, like rum cake or something like that.
I think, yeah.
Okay, sorry.
Sorry about that.
No. Can I?
But you know, I don't know. Chucky don't cut none for you.
No. Not
You
yet.
cut jelly and everything.
Oh, really?
And even this. You
Oh.
could get one. And you could just eat it.
Uh-huh. Oh, I want to do
Right.
it.
Is he there?
No, I think he walked.
It's gone. All right.
Yeah.
And when he comes back,
Okay.
when he comes back, I'm
Okay.
gonna tell him
To do
"Let
it.
me cut like I cut one for you.
Okay,
So
thank
you could
you.
have it for his, you know.
Can I watch you open this one?
Hmm?
You're gonna open it now?
Yeah, I'm gonna leave one. to
Okay.
cut.
Okay.
Yeah, you know, we use the cutlass and grab the beater and then we cut with shear off here. And you get the nut out.
Oh.
Then if you even want to eat it with bread, with biscuit or anything,
Uh-huh.
it's nice.
Sounds so nice. That sounds really nice.
Yes.
Yeah, okay, so you have to wait till it browns to get the jelly.
one?
Uh-huh.
You want this one?
No, for you, for you.
Oh.
No. Oh,
Yeah, well, you know.
so nice. They're big.
Yes,
Yeah.
The nut is large too, you know.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
For your church, maybe too. Okay. Thank you.
So when you come, I'm going to cut one for you.
Yeah, okay. I'm gonna ask him. All right, thank you. Hi, puppies. Here's Scrappy. Hi, Scrappy. Here's a little puppy. Ah! They're so cute. They keep trying to come in the room too. And now I'm going to walk over to the river, I think. Just walk around Chucky's property. There's a bed out here, which I never saw before. Let's go look. Here's a bed. I don't think anyone uses it, but it's here. Look how pretty. So nice. So we're gonna make some breadfruit, and I'll show you there's a really big coconut here. Okay, it's okay?
Okay.
Okay, alright.
But I don't look too good.
Oh no, you look
I
good.
just look
No, same as me.
like you have. Alright.
The same as it. Really relaxing just listening to him sweep, and I asked him if he wanted help, but he said he was good. So yeah, it's really nice. You finished?
Let me just behind you side.
Oh, okay.
Because
Do you need help?
I don't rain and the leaf Chucky don't do anything.
Nice of you.
Looking up, you know.
Yeah, that's nice of you. So he's helping Chucky now, he said, because there's some leaves in his driveway too.
But I want to feel comfortable still when you're moving through your something. I just want to make it look nice for you. Is that your car?
Yeah.
Alright.
Like bum bum bum, throw it back then rotation. Figure it's in the season, shine bright as the season.